วัตกรรมทุกจานนะครับ
ก็จะเป็นหนอนอยู่ในรังเราก็จะกินระยะที่เป็นตัวหนอนเขา
My favourite course would have probably been the second course, actually.
The second one?
And the second one was probably where the insects were the most obvious as part of the meal.
Okay.
But I probably found that the most flavoursome. In the third course, the crab I enjoyed. And I thought the fourth course had a nice aftertaste. And if you didn't tell me that in the fourth course there was insects in my meal, I would not have known. I enjoyed the meals. I think when you come, maybe you expect that you're going to just be eating whole insects, but you hardly really notice that you're eating insects when you're eating them.
Okay.
So I'd say the main thing, it's nothing to be almost afraid of. It just tastes like I were having a meal at any restaurant.